tell her mama I'm a flexer. Goes up in my mouth.
I do it on my phone. She makes it.
What you guys doing over here?
Jules make it. Oh, what up, gang? I don't know what to say, but hey. I'm blind. KO.
My boy.
Yes, sir. 7 a.m. Money Club.
Yes, sir.
I miss saying that. The Kitchen Collective.
Kitchen's Collective.
Smoke crack. Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Smoke crack, worship Satan.
I'm gonna record you, man. Actually,
Bro, I was watching this video, like, you know, like there's the metaverse
Oh.
and shit. And so who kept like leashing up and
Stop leashing the
yeah,
people
can you
here.
stop leashing me?
Oh,
I'm gonna
man.
kick you out of my fucking room or
Bro, that guy's banned from like,
oh, yeah.
there's like 20 worlds he's banned from.
Yeah.
We don't let him
so you would just
Bro,
throw
this
leash
one-
on people?
I do. Get geeky. Yes, she my demon. Get fellatio. Ha! A burr, a burr. She do. Ha ha. Tony Montana. That was way better, huh?
Much better.
Tell her what to do, she looking at me, she like, yes sir. Diamonds on her neck and then she said that she got colder. Tryna step.
By the end of
By the end of that sounds tight.
Yeah, she gotta be on good. Hey, penetrate her, extract her. Told me she'll be on. Big ol' flesh, nectar. Now I smell up, but the rest of that's a mess.
That's what I had to.
I know, bro. I know you.
Bro, you
Oh, you with it? Oh, I'm never down. I'm good.
he used to be tinier and well, he still has his long hair.
I used to
was
see back
skinny,
then. I
yeah.
couldn't see now.
He was like skinnier, huh? Now I think about it, like a stick.
That's a mess though. Told me she'll be on the boats. I can't love her, but I love it cause she lost. Rest of that's a mess though. Told me she'll be on the boats.
One day it's gonna be big, you hear me?
It's gonna be big,
But they real.
Told me she'll be on the
but they real.
hills.
Been doing this shit for too long, bro.
Big ol' flesh,
Been doing this shit for too long.
Too long.
Years ago.
When me and this fool first met, we were talking like this. Hey man, how's it go? How's it go? And that's not because we're crackheads.
I
It's
met
because we're
this fool in
kids.
the alley, dog, smoking the pipa. In the alley, fool, that fool say, hey, you got half a rock, I got half a rock.
Tip a bitch, I need a neck first. Penetrate her, extract her nectar. Now I smell up, but the rest of that's a mess though. Told me she'll be on. Big ol' flex, baby girl, I'm a flexin'. Yeah, your body type of bitch, I need a neck first. Penetrate her, extract her nectar. Now I smell up, but the rest of that's a mess though. Told me she'll be on the boat. I can't love her, but I love it cause she lost. Hell's flames ain't no game, fuck you go. Now her soul on my dick and I can't take you with it. I'm always greening, I'ma hustle for this guap. I hope your mama don't stop fiending me. My bitches like to see how that ass and I get geeky. Hit it good, I gotta cream it. Turn that bitch to my little demon and I let her know. Yeah, she gotta be on go, she get fellatio. And then I tell her I'm John Doe. Tell her mama I'm a flexer. Goes up in my mouth, she touching on me, she get wetter. I tell her what to do, she looking at me, she like yes sir. Put diamonds on her neck and then she said that she got colder. Tryna stack it to the ceiling, get it script, I got it first. Penetrate her, extract her nectar. Now I smell up, but the rest of that's a mess though. Told me she'll be on the boat. I can't love her, but I love it cause she lost. Hell's flames ain't no game, fuck you go. Now her soul on my dick and I can't tell you what it costs. Big ol' flex, baby girl, I'm a flexer. Yeah, your body type of bitch, I need a neck first. Penetrate her, extract her nectar. Now I smell up, but the rest of that's a mess though. It goes up in my mouth, she touching on me, she get wetter. I tell her what to do, she looking at me, she like yes sir. Put diamonds on her neck and then she said that she got colder. I just wanna know, baby, do you really want me? I've been on the road, I've been thumbing through the honeys. she big and she loves it bubbly.